Hi there, my name is GOKUL and I'll be here instructor to C programming course from RGN. Welcome. We're going to take a look at C language and how to use C language on Windows or Windows platform. We will be using Kearney Hannon and Rich's C programming language book, which you see on the center. I gave you the ISBN number so that you can take a look at the book easily on the online bookseller or go to the bookstore and take a look at it. We'll be using it as a guide. KNR is though a C programming reference book. There is a small tutorial section in it. Take a look at that. But it will not really tend to teach you C programming, and that's what I'm here for. I'll teach you C using KNR book, which is the only book which you ever need about for C programming on C language. C programming language is not an C++ or C hash. C is a structure-oriented programming language. It's not an object-oriented programming language, and if you see C++ or C hash, it's an object-oriented programming and it's a different environment. To compile C programming language, we have to download and install C compiler on Windows, Mac or Linux. We will be using Microsoft Visual C++ 2010 Express Edition on Windows, and it will compile our C programming code or sample code. We will be looking at the process of the programming and how to work with the C compiler and how to compile our thoughts into language and an executable program. We will be looking at C data types, operators, and expressions. Expressions are just a data type mixed with operators to get a result. Well, C have the control of flow of the program and how to make it branched at different things happening or not happening. We will see how to use functions, and for some structure in a program, we will use functions to call back and forth or return information and send information. We will use pointers and arrays or arrays and pointers. It sounds like little confusion, right? But I think we can build a good foundation so that a very good understanding about pointers and arrays concept. We will be looking at how to use structures. Structures are a collection of different data types. Structures are very powerful, commonly a thing of information. Structures like entering a mailing list or preparing an employee list, which includes address, names, and phone numbers, and we can put those together in a single structure. We will look at input and output, which shows how to get information into the program and how to get it back out again. We can use C on World Wide Web with Common Gateway interface. You will be able to create a form and load it up into your website, and we can view it in your browser. Put information into the form and get that information into your program, that's your C program, and then get a result. Or reply from the C program back out to the internet or browser. And we can look at a common files that we can rip with C program so that we can open a file, read a file, write a file, and we can seek to any places within a file we want to. The C itself is pretty small, and we have standard library of functions that we have already created for, so that we don't have anything to reinvent because it has some operation. So let's start the course. Keep watching our next video. Well going. Make sure we can actually load and compile a program into C compiler.